is a great location for our students to come. Most students have no idea that this leader in technology is right here in the Dayton area. So it is just absolutely amazing for them to come see what's in their backyard, see the opportunities that they could have to learn that, you know, there's more to robotics than a competition in a classroom or something on a piece of paper. To come here and get hands-on experience with programming a robot, it's just amazing.
So for somebody that's seeing this video or learning about AirCamp for the first time, it is one of the coolest opportunities for a student that's interested in not only aviation, but in STEM in general. They get to go to a lot of the amazing resources that the city of Dayton and the region has to offer. So they go to the museums, they go to the airports, they go to a lot of the different higher education, Wright State, UD, Sinclair. They work with drones, they work with robots like this, and they get to experience flight firsthand.